dear student of class 6. This is your mathematics class and today I will continue this chapter 3 exercise number 3.3. So today I will start from number 5. This is part 7. Here said write the smallest digit and the greatest digit. Smallest digit and greatest digit. In the blank space, that means this space of each of the following numbers so that the number formed is divisible by 3. So we put a digit in this blank place. So at first find the sum of the digits because a number is divisible by 3 when the sum of digit is divisible by 3. So at first we find the sum of digit and the digits are 7, 6, 7, 2, 4. 6, 7, 2, 4. This is 90. Now we put a digit in the place. At first smallest digit and next greatest digit. So smallest digit that means this is divisible by 3. So the number nearest to 19 and greater than 19 this is divisible by 3. That means this is 21. Because 19 next number is 20. 20 is not divisible by 3. So 21 is the nearest to 19. Now I find the difference between 21 and 19. This is 2. So if we put 2 in this place, then we find the sum of digit is 21, which is divisible by 3. So the whole number is divisible by 3. So smallest number this is 2 because now check if we put in this place 2, find the sum of digit 2 plus 6 plus 7 plus 2 plus 4. This is 21 and 21 is divisible by 3. So this number is divisible by 3 and this is the smallest number because 2 is the smallest digit. Now next we find put greatest digit. Now greatest digit in greatest one digit number this is 9. If we add 19 with 9 then we get this is 28. But 28 is not divisible by 3. So we decrease this number. Then next number 27 and decrease 9. This is 8. Next number 8. So this is 27. Now if we add 8 with 19 then we get 27 and which is divisible by 3. So if we put 8 in this place then we get the sum is 27. So we put 8. Then we get 8 plus 6 plus 7 plus 2 plus 4. This is equals to 27. And which is divisible by 3. So the whole number is divisible by 3. So this is the greatest digit. The smallest digit is 2 and greatest is 8. We should try this number B. This is same as 5A. Find the greatest and smallest digit in this place. Now in number 6 here said write a digit in the blank space. That means this place of each of the following numbers so that the number formed is divisible by 11. Now a number is divisible by 11 when the sum of alternative digits, difference of sum of alternative digits is either 0 or its multiple of 11. Now we find the alternative digit. In number A, this is first digit, this is second, in the blank this is third, this is fourth, fifth and next first, third, fifth. Now we let in these places this is x. This number, this digit is x. So find the sum because first digit 9, third digit we let this is x plus fourth, fifth 8. So this is equals to 17 plus x. And here also x, this is starting from 0. 0 to 9. This is any number between 0 to 9. Now next sum is second, fourth and sixth. Second digit is 2, fourth is 3, 6, 9. And this is 14. This is 2 plus 3 plus 9. This is 14. Now find the difference, the sum of difference. This difference is 17 plus x minus 14. This is equals to either 0 or either multiple of 11. Now here x is starting from 0. So if we put 0, this is the smallest number 0, then you get 17 plus 0. 17 plus 0, that means 0 minus 14, and means this number is negative. But here is starting from 0, not negative. So there is no possibility that this is 0. So here is starting from 11. Because 11 is a multiple of 11. Now starting from 11. Now we calculate this 17 minus 14. 3 plus x equals to 11. So x equals to 11. Here we get 3. 11 minus 3 because here is plus 3. This is equals to 8. So we get this number is 8. So the number is 9 2 8 3 8 9. Now we check this. Adding this number 9 plus 8 plus 8. This is 25. And next 2 plus 3 plus 9. This is 14. And find the difference. 25 minus 14, 11. That means this number is divisible by 11. Now this is your homework 6b. This is same as 6a. So this is exercise number 3.3. And next day I should try exercise number 3.4. Thank you.